Hello everybody, and today we'll be fixing this error on opening a pygame window. So you should open the idle Python shell, and you should install Python first in pygame. And in my other video I have something about fixing the pygame, I think, and there's and how you know if your system is 64-bit or 32-bit, because Python automatically installs both. Because to install Python you have to have either a 32-bit computer or a 64-bit computer. I have a 64-bit computer, and the way you can check that is you go to Control Panel, and you go to System and Security, System, and then it should be over here, which is your system type. I have a 64-bit operating system. So what you would do is this online diff tool I have. It's invent with python.com/pygame/diff/#diff. I'll put the link in the description. And there's a book. I have it at my house, and there's a book which making games with Python and pygame, and you can make games. And if you have that book, then when you use the diff tool, I have it somewhere in my history. Well, in the book, you'd have to do code. But before you do this, you have to do, every time you open this shell, you have to do import pygame. You have to do import pygame. And then if you would do import pygame sys, and then Control J to open a new line, and then you would do from pygame.locals import, you would get an error that multiple statements found while compiling a single statement. So how you fix that is when you do import pygame. I've already imported pygame, so make sure you do that first. And then you have to do display surf = pygame display set mode. So this stuff is basically how big you want it to be. So let's say I put mine to 500, my length to 500, and my width to 400. And make sure you put 2 parentheses at the end, and I'll leave it in the description. And then you do this, which will open a pygame window. So then, after you open this pygame window, say you wanna make this a different name, and this you wanted a caption for this, but it says pygame window. So then you would go over to this shell and type in pygame. You type in pygame dot display dot set underscore caption, and then you would put the caption, but you have to put an apostrophe before you write anything. I'm just gonna name it hello world of games. Then you have to do the same thing at the end, and there you go. You have a caption and you have a window. And then later I'll be teaching you how to actually make it a game instead of just this endless black pit of darkness. And also, if I wanted to, I can just copy this, paste it here, or you can just go up here and press enter. And then I could change it to, let's say, 410 or no, 460 and 580. I could change it so now it's bigger. Hope you guys enjoyed. And comment down below if this was useful for you. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.